Good morning, everyone. So it's our second day exploring around the Riviera Maya here in Mexico. We're just about to leave Cancun now because we're going to be heading to a beach town nearby called Puerto Morelos. We've heard really good things about it. We have the rental car just like the last video. This was $30, yeah, $30 a day from National. And yeah, we're gonna head there now. It's supposed to be really good, so I'm excited to see what it's like. All right, 35 minutes. Alright, so we've arrived in Puerto Morelos. We think this is a spot where we can park. Not sure what's happened there. Maybe from the lagoon, mangrove park.
Oh yeah.
Overflow.
There's a lagoon right there.
Yeah, loads of mangroves here. Pretty easy drive though, right? It was just one main road all the way.
Yeah, it was okay, not that hard.
Yeah. Alright, let's check out the beach. So as you can see, this place has no big hotels. It's more like a relaxed vibe. Doesn't seem as developed like Cancun. That's one of the reasons why I wanted to come here. So it looks like we're gonna have a storm or something.
Yeah, I don't know. Maybe it's gonna rain. It doesn't look good.
No. Oh, check the size of that bird there. Is that like a pelican or something?
Pelican.
Yeah. Yeah, it's really rough and windy at the moment. Yeah, so the weather forecast didn't show this at all. It was supposed to be nice and sunny. Oh, check that bird out. Oh, check that one, huge. This guy's struggling, look at him. Yeah, you can't go forward.
Too windy.
Yeah. Hey dude, you best come down. You're not going anywhere. Anyway, like I said, it was nice and sunny before. It wasn't showing this weather at all. And yeah, it does look like there's a storm coming. I don't know, things can change in the tropics. Like, probably going to be all sunny soon. I don't know. But really rough conditions out here. So we found a lunch spot to eat at here, and we both got these vegetarian wraps. So mine's with like mushrooms, black beans, spinach, cheese. Yours is almost the same, it just has egg, right? Yeah.
White egg.
White eggs. And it also got some fruit and some sort of sauce. I don't know what this is. 130 pesos. Alright. Got some cool Mexican art here as well. I like this one. Is it good?
Delicious.
Yeah. Alright, we got lucky. The sun came out earlier than expected. Now really nice blue skies pretty much everywhere. And obviously the beach looks a lot nicer now. The colors. Beautiful white soft sand on this beach. Yeah, so this is them collecting all the sargassum here. Look at that. huge pile. So I think they have to clean it, yeah, pretty much every day. You can see bits here, but yeah, the lady over there is raking it up. Around here, there's loads of like cool restaurants and cafes right on the beach. Check that little shack out. There's a bunch of them down there as well. I think these are more hotels and stuff over here. Alright, time to see how warm this water is. We didn't go in last time, right? It's too cloudy or whatever. Yeah, the temperature's not so bad. I think it was warmer all the other times we came though, in like November. Maybe because it's like winter now, I don't know. Maybe it gets a bit colder. Super beautiful though, these colors. Check this out, we got the diving bomber. The fisherman. Pelicano. So we've come to a place called Dorado Maroma. I think it's some sort of resort, I'm not sure. I think the only way you can access the beach here is going through this place. I think you just got to pay a fee. I'm not sure how much it is yet, but yeah, we're just gonna see now. So we ended up having to head back out to a store that was at the start of the road, and that's where you buy the entry, like the day pass or whatever, and it's $10 per person. I think it is quite a fancy hotel, and then you can use like the sunbeds, stuff like that, showers. So yeah, that's what we're doing. Welcome to the most beautiful beach in the Mexican Caribbean. Yeah, so me and Carol have only ever paid to come into a beach club once before, and that was like 4 years ago here. Yeah. In the same region, we only just realized, so it's not something that we usually do. So I guess you can use all this stuff and sit wherever you want. You think we can use these beds?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah? Need to find one in the shade. This is like, what is it, leather? Whoa, check that place out. Maldives.
Oh yeah. Like
got the water bungalows over there. I didn't know they had that around here. Wow, look at this beach though. This is one clean beach. Spotless.
Yeah.
Most spotless beach ever.
Super fine sand.
Yeah, super fine. Look at that. Beautiful.
And it's beautiful over there with the coconut trees.
Yeah, on that side, I think that's called Virgin Beach because there's no like construction. Maybe we should go over there. There seems to be beds. Same resort?
I don't know.
I don't know either. Yeah, so this place is absolutely massive. The chairs just go all the way down there. So I think it's all the same resort. I don't know. Same beach club resort. I think this might be some of the nicest sand we've ever seen.
Yeah.
That's why the sign said the most beautiful in the Mexican Caribbean.
Most hermosa.
Yeah, most hermosa. Super white. So this is gonna be our spot here. Carol said she wants to upgrade our place and stay here.
Yeah, well, I'll check the place of the hotel maybe next time.
$500 instead of $40 where we're staying. Oh, I can't wait to get in that water.
Let's go.
This might also be the softest sand we've ever walked on as well. What do you think?
Yeah, it is.
This place is crazy. Got the jet skis there also included in the price.
No, it's not.
No, it's not. Yeah, I love this part, look, because there's just no hotels or anything. That's why Playa Virgen. Beautiful. So this is probably the best beach that we've been to in this region. We've been to quite a few other amazing ones on like Cozumel, Isla Mujeres, and we've been to some others in like Playa del Carmen, other popular spots, but yeah, this is by far the best one. And Puerto Morelos was still nice, but nothing in comparison to this, not for the beach anyway. And we're just gonna go on one little final walk before we head out of here. We wanted to stay more around this part here, the less developed part. Probably walk around there and see what's over there. Hopefully you enjoyed those drone shots just as much as I did. So I ended up flying all the way down there, and besides one hotel there's pretty much nothing. It's just like jungle and beautiful beaches. So yeah, just a really amazing place. I also like the jet ski shots as well. Some group from the hotel went out on the jet skis. That'd be pretty cool to do around here. Would be something fun. I really like this spot though that we've come to, the Playa Virgen part. Really relaxing place.
Yeah, I just love this beach. Probably our favorite one around this area.
Yeah, that's what I said before. I think it is. Yeah, it's the best one. Definitely worth coming here. Back to Cancun now. We actually have to give the car back. We only got it for 3 days and today's the 3rd day. So if you like this video, just drop a like as usual to support us. Follow us on Instagram. Subscribe to this channel if you like to see more videos like this. And we'll see you in the next one.